In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use one of Monday.com's newest features, AI agents. I'm going to show you how you can set up a leads agent to help you source leads. What does that mean? That the agent is going to find leads that you need and that are specific for your business based on your ideal customer profile. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Tara. I'm the founder of a company called Simple Day. Over the past number of years, my team has helped hundreds of companies get started with Monday.com. Whether you're brand new to the platform or you've been using it for a long time and feel that your setup is just not as good as it can be and that you can and should be getting more out of it, feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the description below, and I'd love to meet you. Now, let's jump into our sales agents. In order to work with the leads agent, you do need to be within the Monday CRM. And you'll notice over here that I'm on a leads board and I have the option of the AI agents. I'm going to click on my AI agents and you can see that by default, I have two different agents. A sale agent that actually contacts and qualifies leads for me, and an AI lead agent that sources and enriches new leads for me. So I'm going to show you how you can set up this AI lead agent. I'm going to click on it. You can see here, first of all, that it's still in beta. So it's something that's brand new to Monday and they're still testing. So feel free to reach out to them if you have any constructive feedback on how to make it better. And you can see here that I have the agent's job and I have two different things that I can fill out. The first thing is the settings. Now, I need to define what my ideal customer is because I need to tell this agent what type of leads are you getting from me. In this example, I'm doing an example with lawyers. So I've asked the AI agent to find lawyers for me. I'm sending them to a board called Lawyers Leads and within that group. And then you can see that I've decided which information needs to be tracked. So I have a column for the LinkedIn URL, and that's going to go there. The job title, the company name. If I want, I can add more information. Now, the next thing that I can do is I can decide how I want this search to go. Currently, you can only do it on a recurring basis. That means that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday, it's going to find 30 leads for me. I can increase this, I can decrease this, I can change the days, and I can change the time. Eventually, you'll also be able to do it on demand, which could be something like I could say to my agent, I need 100 leads right now for this specific audience, and I'll get them. Now I'm going to click Save Changes. And the other option that I have here is your ideal customer profile. So here you can see I put in something very simple. I'm looking for small to mid-sized legal firms and lawyers based in the US. Obviously, if you have a more specific customer profile that you need, this is the place to do it. And essentially, that's it. My AI agent is currently active and is running and finding leads for me on my scheduled basis. That's it. That's all you need to do to have Monday pull in leads for you. I'd love to hear how you're using this Monday agent to help you find more leads for your company. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you soon.